Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 4 tips to improve quality of your pictures on Honor Magic for Lite. So the first one is to enable the AI right here, as it improves the color of your image and the lighting. Next you can go to the settings, aspect ratio, and right here make sure that you're using 4:3, as it also lowers the camera aspect ratio and that way improves the sharpness of your photos. Next, go to the settings. Here make sure that you're using horizontal level and try to stabilize your photos, as they look more pleasant to the eye when they are stable. Go to the settings again to enable the floating shutter and place it somewhere convenient that it's easy to take photos and not move your phone while doing it, and it will drastically improve your photos, as there will be less blur for moving your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.